Hey guys, I'm here to give you some tips on Teak 2.4b. It is adding up to 4 two-digit numbers with and without regrouping. This week you should have, or you will be starting this Teak, and you'll just be doing it without regrouping. We definitely wanted to expose them to that first. So I want to really hit with regrouping and using base 10 blocks. We want to start with the concrete. And guys, don't take those base 10 blocks away. They can use them all year long. They can use them on third grade STAR as a designated support. If they don't need them, great. But please, please, please don't take those base 10 blocks out of their hands if they need it to solve. Okay, so we're going to have, I'm just starting with two-digit numbers. And you can, of course, build from there and scaffold up. It's going to be the same exact process with your base 10 blocks, just a little more difficult and rigorous. So we have 34 plus 58. We want to give them some sort of place value mat or just have them draw their place value mat. Totally fine. Just use expo markers like I did. And then I built 34 and I built 58. And literally just starting as an explorer, I would just ask them, I would give them the mat, I would tell them to build these two numbers, and as an explorer, ask them to solve for the sum of 34 and 58. And a lot of them will realize, oh, I can just count by tens and ones, especially if that's what you've been doing to introduce this teak without regrouping. So I could just say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. They just got the correct answer. If some of your babies need to stay at that level when you're differentiating, that is fine. But we do want the students to experience regrouping and showing them how we can exchange 10 ones for a 10. And all we're doing here is building that foundation for third grade because they have the teak that each place value to the left is times 10. So here we go. So basically I'm going to, you can tell your students anytime you have more than 9 ones, you can make a group of 10. So that's what I'm going to do. I have 8 here, I have 9, I have 10. I'm going to exchange them for my 10 rod. And now that I have a 10, I need to put it in my tens place. And now, once again, you can have them count by tens and ones from there, or they can look and realize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9 tens and 2 ones. That would be, my sum would be 92. Showing them both ways, making them justify is always great. Now, once they get this process down, going and exchanging and getting their total, then we can help them make the connection with the standard algorithm. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to redo this. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, and you can literally model this for them, and the explorer can be them watching you do both at the same time and then ask them, what do you notice? What do you wonder? But from here, what I'm going to do, same exact process. I have 34 plus 58. I'm going to make a group of 10. But as I do that here, and I go and exchange it here, I'm going to do the same. So I have one extra 10 here. I still have my 2 ones. Then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with my ones place. 8 plus 4 is 12. Oh, but I only have I can only put 1 digit in my ones place, so I'm going to even go right over here to the side if you need to help guide them. So I have 2 ones and 1 10. My ones can go in my ones place. Sorry, this is hard to do while holding it. And then I had 1 extra 10. I have 1 extra 10 that I need to put in my tens place. And now I can just add up from there. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. I got 92 as my sum. When I did it over here, what we're going to check as well, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. It's a great way for them to double check their work is doing it both ways, and that's going to really help them make the connection of what is happening here. We don't want to go too quickly to just the standard algorithm. They have to know the why behind what's happening in order to be successful in the future for addition for all grade levels, really. So I hope this little video helps. You can do the same exact process with 3 digits and then 4 digits. And once again, you're going to want to differentiate with your kids. If they're not ready to go to 3 or 4 digits, keep them here. keep working on it. I realize that they might only be able to get to a 2 on SBG, but if they're not ready, they're not ready. We want to keep building that foundation and that understanding. Y'all are building such a huge foundation for 3rd and 4th grade. And then we will go to your next TEK. We'll take it further because it gets up to 3 digits, but we're not there yet. So just focus on this, enjoy it, have fun. If you have any questions at all, you can talk to me. You can email me, text me, reach out to me, call me. Same thing for Jillian. You can reach out to her as well if you have any questions at all. But this is where we want to start for the foundation of regrouping in 2nd grade. We need to start with these base 10 blocks. If you have place value discs, that's fine as well, but they can't use place value discs on 3rd grade STAR, but they can use base 10 blocks on 3rd grade STAR. If you were not aware of that, it's a designated support. So that's why I said don't take these out of their hands. It's something that is allowed on STAR if they need it. Now, if you have babies that are ready and are hitting this hard and they don't need the base 10 blocks, that's fine, but just please don't take it away from them if they need it to be successful. I hope this helps, and y'all have a great rest of the day.